Hello beautiful people, this is me, I'm your host, and in this bin I have my empties for the month of September. So yes, in here it's quite a bit of stuff, and up the front I have here skincare, body care, hair care, makeup. No, I don't have the fragrance because this month I didn't finish any scent, but overall price, or I should say value, of these items which are inside, it's $500. Yes, you did hear me right. And I was surprised myself that I did use so many items. Before here is more than few things. I'm gonna split this video into two parts. So part one is gonna be skincare, and then part two is gonna be everything else. So in case if you're not interested in skincare, you can just go straight to part two. But in the meantime, let me empty this little bin and I'll be right back. After splitting my items, that's what I have left. So I'm gonna try to go, let's say, not quite fast, but I'm not gonna spend too much time for the items because there are some products which I already spoke about in the past. And here we go. For example, this is ANR, I should say the Advanced Nail Repair, or the little brown bottle from Estee Lauder. I've been using this for years, and yes, I do enjoy it. It's one of those things which works, and I always repurchase. It has multiple uses. What is it? It's a repair serum which gonna use at night. That's the old version. The new one comes in a glass bottle and you can use it for both. Then a night, I like it and already repurchase them. Then from the same line, it's the ANR for the eyes. There are three different kinds. I like this one, the one with the it's not really a stick, but similar as with the ANR, that's the old version. The new one has a metal tip and I like it. It's like a serum for your eyes and it makes your skin looking good. I have couple moisturizers. First one, it's from number 7. That's the old package. If you go to a store now, or even if you check their website, they kind of update the look. But this is Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced Night Cream. I did like it. It's a moisturizer you're gonna put at the end of your skincare routine just to seal everything. But it was a little bit thicker in texture, so I like it. I think I have one more jar of it. So I have this one, and then from L'Oreal I have the Retinol cream, which comes with handy dandy pump, press night cream with retinol and niacinamide. I did like it. It has a, alright, this one has a safe dose of retinol, so anyone can use it. Did I like it? Yes. Will I repurchase? I will see, because currently I have many other retinol products, but if you do start with retinol, this is a nice beginning and it's perfect for travel because obviously you're not gonna spill it. Then something from Soap and Glory, that's their cleansing balm, or I should say melting balm. Soap and Glory, glow your mind, nourishing cleansing balm. I did like it. It did the job, comes in a big package. I did video about when I was comparing this to the other balms, and I see myself rebuying this one because you don't need a lot and it lasts you for a long time. And of course you can buy it and sell, so you can save yourself some money. Then couple serums. First one is the Niacinamide from Paula's Choice. That's their 10%. They'll also have 20%, but that's one, it's for more. If you know you need a bigger dosage or you have oily skin, then go for the 20%. 10% is good enough. However, right now niacinamide is in more and more products, so you don't really need a separate item. I did use it up. No, I will not repurchase because you can easily find in another product, and right now there are many other brands which include this ingredient inside their items. Then from Nivea, I have their CoQ10 serum, replenishing serum per anti-wrinkle boost, highest concentration of pure Q10 and creatine. I bought this one while I was in Europe. It has a little bubbles inside and it's yellow in color. I went for the Q10 because I do enjoy the one from Indeed Lab. Q10, it naturally occurs in our skin, so it will make your skin look nice and smooth and plump. I use it if I were a purchase, not really. However, I have one more bottle which I brought with me from Europe. So yes, I'm gonna use that one. But otherwise, I rather go back to the one from Indeed Lab because it has a milky texture. Then from Decorte, I have their hydrating booster serum. That's the small size. In the past I have a big one and I did enjoy it. It's one of those milky serums which does provide the hydration. The Decorte, it's a Japanese brand, so you know you're gonna get the good ingredients. It's not cheap, but it's not too expensive. It's somewhere in between. Did I like it? Yes. Will I purchase? Maybe if it comes in a set, but by itself not really, because similarly as with the other serum, right now there are so many different products on the market. You can just choose and choose and choose. Then from Peter Thomas Roth, I have the enzyme pumpkin enzyme mask. So this one has a pumpkin enzyme, which is a natural exfoliator, also has a gritty texture. So after you apply it or even afterwards, you can still do the manual exfoliation, but because of the pumpkin enzyme, you're also getting the you have the chemical and the physical exfoliation, so getting two in one. Peter Thomas Roth, they have a whole range of masks. This one I did like it. In the past I have the black one with the it was the clay mask. No, I didn't like that one because it did stain my sink. The aloe, it was like aloe gel. There was nothing special about it. However, people do enjoy the one which comes in a blue container because it has Hungarian water. I think Hungarian thermal water, which is very beneficial and hydrating for the skin. But I did use this one. Will I repurchase? I don't know. Not for right now. Talking about the exfoliants, I have two pills from Dr. Denise Gross, Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. So you have step 1 and step 2. You can buy them in a pack of 320. I know right now they have different ones, but this is perfect for travel because it comes in a pad, so you can just put inside your travel bag and you are good to go. I have few more masks left. From number 7, I have the Radiance Plus Illuminating Hydrogel Eye Mask. That's from their Vitamin C line. It was hydrogel mask. It did its job. Will I repurchase? Not really. Then from Wonder Beauty, I have their other mask, Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. And it was the actual gold in color when you put it in, and similar as with this one, you just put it under your eyes. But if I have to choose, this one work way nicer and better, but the number 7 it's cheaper, so it's up to you. However, if you want something for every day, it's this one. But if you want some, let's call it nice experience, or if you can not really afford it, splurge on yourself, the Wonder was good. Then from Freeman, I have their sheet mask. Okay, hydrating aloe and sea berry sheet mask. And I was quite surprised when I saw this one in a store, because I know Freeman, they do have face masks. But when I saw this one, I decided to give it a try. And yes, I did like it, especially that aloe is very hydrating. And yes, it did make my skin look better. Then from this brand, Azure Hyaluronic Acid Retinol Face Mask Anti-Aging. I bought this one in Marshall. I think it's Marshall's. So you're getting 5 masks, wrinkle reducing, rejuvenating, hydrating. And yes, I even kept the mask so I can show it to you. So here we go. And what it's supposed to do: moisturizing ingredients keep skin plump, soft, hydrated, uneven skin tone, smooth, refined surface, help reduce appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. With the retinol part, I'm not so sure because you need to use retinol for a long time in order to see any results. But your skin will look nicer and smoother and plump because of the hyaluronic acid. I pay for this one like $5. So yeah, I'm like, it costs you like $1 per mask. So it wasn't as bad. Two more items left from Paula's Choice. I have their Omega Complex Eye Cream with Chia Flaxseed for normal and dry skin, which comes with a pump. This product lasts me for a while. It did has a nice creamy texture, absorb fast. I have no issues with it. I didn't see any miracles afterwards, but as a hydrating product, it did work well. One more, it's from Floss Leg. That's their illuminating eye cream with aloe, and it has a texture of the actual gel. When I was using it, unfortunately, I dropped it and half of it landed on the floor, and obviously I'm not gonna scoop it and put it back in. It was okay if it was a little bit hydrating, but now for fall and winter it's not gonna be enough. But as a summer product, or if you want something light just to hydrate your skin, yes, it will. The total for this month Empties was $511. And no, I didn't show you all the items because in part 2 I'm gonna show you body care, hair care and makeup, and that's where you're gonna see the rest of the items. But overall, I was really surprised, and I'm glad I did use those items because at least I know my money don't go into waste. Anyway, I see you in part 2. Bye.